Hi, friend, and welcome to Emyra English. Before we begin learning together, I want to share something personal. My story. Who I am, where I come from, and why I created Emyra English. Today, I live in New York City. A beautiful, loud, busy, exciting place. A city full of energy, dreams, and new beginnings. But my story didn't start here. When I was little, I loved watching English cartoons. I didn't understand the words, but the sound. I loved the sound so much. Something inside me said, one day I want to speak like that. So I started practicing English in funny ways. I stood in front of the mirror, trying to copy what I heard. I didn't know what I was saying, but I kept trying and trying and trying. But in school, things were harder. English classes felt confusing. Sometimes I felt shy. Sometimes I felt lost. And sometimes I thought, maybe English is not for me. Then, one day, something changed. I met a teacher who taught English in a different way. Not with pressure, not with fear, but with stories, emotions, and simple explanations. For the first time, English felt alive. From that moment, I fell in love with English. I started reading, listening, watching, learning. Step by step, day by day. My English grew. Not because I was special, but because I never stopped. Years later, I made one of the biggest decisions of my life. I packed my bags, took a deep breath, and moved to New York. I was scared. I was excited, but I was ready for a new chapter. When I arrived here, I realized something important. Many people want to learn English, but they feel lost, just like I once felt. And that's why I created Emyra English, to make English simple, natural, and enjoyable for you. On this channel, I will teach you the way I learned, through real-life situations, clear examples, simple explanations, and warm conversations. No stress, no fear. Just learning, step by step. Thank you for listening to my story. And thank you for being here with me. This is just the beginning, my friend. Welcome to Emyra English. Let's learn together and grow together. And if you want to speak English better, don't forget to subscribe. And share this video with your friends. Let's help each other learn.